Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will be talking about this PIXIE cut hair bob. Yeah, by the way, if you are a new subscriber, if you are new to my channel, my name is Sonia, where I show all the DIYs. I talk about hair, I talk about beauties and so many fun stuff. So if you like to see more video of me, make sure you subscribe, you press the notification bells too. So this video is basically me showing you how I achieve this hair, how I cut it, how I style it. So if you like to discover more about it, stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay guys, this is the hair that I use. I'm gonna list everything down below in the description box. And also guys, I've missed some clips. I missed some clips when I was filming this video, and basically what I did is the same method you guys are going to see right now. It's just me applying the glue on the hair and stick it to the wig cap. It's the same process, but in case if you want to see how I make this wig start from scratch, I can make another video. All you need to do is just comment down below and I'm happy to make another video on it from scratch. Comment that below, let me know your thoughts. And yeah, Okay, here we go. That's my little assistant on the background. I don't know if you guys can see her. This is what I face every time whenever she's around, or maybe if she's not in the nursery, or maybe when she's not sleeping. She's always here all around me, ready to do what I'm doing. I was actually filming with daylight. All of a sudden the sun just disappeared. Actually, what was I doing? I was dancing because I don't know, I was dancing because I was playing music while I was doing this wig. So pretty excited. Right, the weather just changed all of a sudden. I don't know what really happened, and I couldn't stop anymore because I'm nearly in the end of the week. I couldn't stop to turn my light on. I was so lazy to go and, because I just decided to carry on. And I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay guys, I know the lighting wasn't good because I was filming with daylight, and can you please comment down below if you can't see how I close my wig. Please comment down below. I'll be more than happy to make another video to show you how I did close this wig. Alright guys, I'm trying hard to let you see what I'm doing. That's why I'm trying to turn my wig stand all around for you guys to see how I'm cutting, shaving the hair, styling, I don't know what to call it. And at the same time, I'm trying as much as possible not to cover my camera for you guys to see all the details of where I'm shaving off. Okay guys, this is the final look of my wig. All the hair and the product I've used will be linked down in the description box below. And if you find this video helpful, thumbs up, comment, make sure you share it, and also comment any your thoughts, what you think about the hair, the video. And I will see you next time on my next video. And before I go, remember, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel and